Do you want to sell your art on mugs, but you don't know how to get started? Let me show you how you can do it for free and have it drop shipped to your customers. Stay tuned. Welcome. I'm Susan Clifton. I'm here in my Baca studio. It's kind of tight, so I'm a little bit in the corner here. I never have enough space. I have a really large canvas over here that is taking up half the room. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm just like you. I don't have space for inventory. I don't have the money to have something like a mug created with multiple pieces of artwork. And then I have to ship it and do all of that work. Well, I need to spend my time painting. So that's what Printful is all about. Printful is a drop shipping company that produces many different types of products. So maybe your art is good for a mug. Maybe you want to create canvases with it, water bottles, pillows for sofas. It depends on your artwork. If you do abstract, that might be perfect. There's also clothing that you can add, t-shirts. Maybe you have inspirational artwork that can go on a t-shirt. But today we're going to talk about mugs. So let me get started. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. See you later. Okay, so here on the left, this is what we're going to be creating today. This is a mug on Printful with my quality painting, and it's on both sides of the mug. You'll see that when we go into Printful. This is what we're going to create today with this Om artwork, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with equality. I'm going to repeat it on the other side. Okay, so I'm in my product templates, and I created one of these already, but I'm going to recreate it for you so you can see what I did. We're going to hit the plus button. We're going to go to Home and Living, Mugs. I'm going to choose White Glossy Mug. And we're going to go find my image and drop it in here. I'm going to just move it out of the way so you can see this. I'm just going to drop it in on the circle. Now this image is about 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. And it is going to warn us over here. So on the left you'll see that it says that the print quality is good. If that doesn't say good, then you have to make your image bigger. So right now, if I only wanted one right smack in the center, then I would leave it like this. But I want one on both sides. So I'm going to slide this over. It's kind of like in the center of that area. And then I'm going to, how did I do this last time? Oh. How silly of me. Okay, down here it says duplicate on both sides. So now you have two sides. I couldn't remember how I did that last time. Anyway, so that's the 11-ounce mug. Now if I go to the 15-ounce mug, I have to do the same thing. And you might want to adjust your artwork depending on, my artwork fits on both the 11-ounce and the 15-ounce just fine. So although I am seeing this little exclamation point, so let's see what this says. It says they need to be adjusted separately. So I am also going to go into both of my artwork and adjust them slightly until that error message goes away at the top, and it's perfect now. So, and we're still somewhat centered on both of them. And now I'm going to hit continue. Well, I'm going to call this Ohm mug. I'm going to leave everything else the same for now. I do all my editing when I push it to the store. Okay, so now add to store. Proceed to mockups. So here's where the mockups are, and not all markups, like this one is not available for the 15-ounce size. The lifestyle one with the woman is available for both the 11-ounce and the 15-ounce. And then they have Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, summer, and then a red, white, and blue one, which I guess is good for none of these are really appropriate for maybe the lifestyle one. So I'm going to choose this one and then proceed to details. Now, white glossy mug, we'll call it. That way they know it's a glossy mug. I'm going to leave all this copy and edit it once I get into my shop. I'm going to delete this category and add the proper one, and then proceed to pricing. And then here's where you can do your markup. Okay, so I am going to increase by 70%. Now if you look under here, you could also do it by dollar amount, but I'm just going to do 70%. And this shows me the retail price for both sizes. This is my cost. And now I'm going to submit to store. So I'm going to go log in over here and see if it added it directly to the store. So duh, it already pushed it out to the store because I said add to store. So I don't know what, I must be a little tired today. So here is my product, and it's already published. So I think I'm going to unpublish it just for now, because I want to make some changes. Okay, so now you'll see a publish button. I want to really carefully think about what I'm saying on this page, and I want to also see if I can download more mockups. Okay, so here on the page I'm going to go to view, and you'll see download mockups. So we're going to go with the default mockup. I'm going to do an environment. Okay, let's just click. It selected them all, and I'm going to generate mockups and see what it just see what happens. Alright, so this is what I downloaded, and as you can see, it made a lot in the two different sizes. I think they're two different sizes. Yes, so now I have additional, oh, this is a cool one with a keyboard. I now have additional sizes I can add to my shop. So let's go back to our, I like her, I think that's nice. So let's add additional images. I definitely like this one. Okay, so I have to add additional copy up here. I have to mention that it comes in 2 sizes. And then I need to, so let's see, we choose the size. Okay, our add to cart button shows up. And let's see, when I choose a different size, oh, that's nice. It shows, it actually switches to the proper size mug, so that's good. I am now going to edit some of this page and I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to rename it Meditation Mug because I don't think anybody's going to search for mug. So I'm always thinking SEO. I'm calling it a meditation mug, and now they had created this little bit of a phrase here, whether you're drinking your morning coffee, evening tea, or something in between, this mug is for you. It tells you a little bit about it. And so I decided to keep it for now. It says it's microwave and dishwasher safe. So I also went in and labeled these 11 ounce, 15 ounce, so that they could sort of see the size and what it looks like a little bit more. Then down here where there's additional information, I put start your morning right with a great message. This Om artwork includes this message, and it actually has the phrases that go around the artwork on the mug. Elevate your consciousness, become more aware, listen to the divine within, vibrate at the highest frequency, let the light of the heart engulf you. Prayer is when you talk to God. Meditation is when God talks to you. So I think that's a really great thing to start with in the morning, and this also gives you a little bit more information about the product. Dimensions, it's made out of ceramic, you know, all of that. So, and then here's some additional products that they can select. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this video helps you figure out how to make products with your artwork and allows you to take your art to the next level. So I definitely leave me some comments below and or questions. If you have any questions, more questions about Printful, I'd be happy to answer them. Also, there's a link below to get you started on Printful. It is free, absolutely free, so give it a try. And don't forget, give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye-bye.